Hi guys, Nima here. Welcome everybody. Nima loves you all. Today's special presentation of the project what I'm already using. It's air fryer Xiaomi. Today I'm presenting you, but before we start guys, please don't forget me. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new one. Let's go! Let's start. I'm presenting you Xiaomi project, special project for you if you're using air fryer. This one looks great and very cool for using if you are already have a product like this. You know what I'm talking about. First of all, what to say about this? His special project, like this. You open it and see how that project looks. Inside, one more project, you have here some bars. So here you put there and you put your meal there and air fryer using that. You see how that looks like. It's very expensive, looking very expensive. Okay, cool. And what you know about this? Where is the place where you turn it on? This is when you're using manually this for air fryer, and you have French fries. First one, chicken wings, fish if you're making fish, steak, special steak, and shrimp. Oh, vegetable, you have vegetable. I forget this one. This one is cool. Cake. This one for cake. You're baking some muffins or making something, some cakes or whatever. And fruit. You can use also for fruit. So how cool product is. Or you can make a schedule for baking for everything. It looks awesome. And this is settings where you can set your language, whatever you using for while you're using this and everything. Okay, that is that guys. I must say I'm using already this project. It's so cool. And there is the language. English, Chinese, Russian, all kind of languages, Italiano, Espanol, Turkey, Polish, French, Deutsch, and everything. Go back. What kind of languages you have here? Oh, I'm using English in charge. Okay. This product have a wine volume of 3 liter. This place where you put 3 liter of the project and making. And enjoy it. It's so delicious. I can't believe it. I have a lot of products, but this one is excellent for using. You must try it. So guys, before you leave, don't forget me, my channel, leave the like, subscribe, welcome everybody, be a member, forever. Have a good day, good night, wherever you are, long live and prosperate. See ya guys in the next video. See ya.